I got a lot of ducks in my office. I love ducks. I've had them since I've opened up. You know, one thing I realized when I first opened up in practice, and I looked a hell of a lot younger than I am now, people would look me up and down, especially successful, older people, thinking, what's this young guy going to do for me? Like, this guy's young. Does he know what he's talking about? And then you got the people who are like, you're a quack. You're a chiropractor. So the word that comes to their mind is you're a quack. So I agree with them.